So Brian, obviously you and all your guys, you know cars, you know all the techie terms for stuff, and folks like us, if something's wrong with my car, I don't know how to talk to you in terms of describing sometimes. What helps you in terms of how people describe what their problem is?
That's a great question and a really big topic. Basically, we can never get too much information.
Okay.
So if the car has a certain symptom and we ask some questions when you bring it in or you call, I don't really know what it's doing. I can't really tell you when. Boy, that really, really makes it tough for us to do it.
Okay.
But on the contrast, if you could say, yeah, it does it, every week, only when it's wet out or when I'm pulling into a driveway or it sounds like this or it smells like this or it acts like this.
Smells like this even, you can...
Anything.
Is that right?
All that.
Yeah.
We cannot have too much information. Something that somebody might think is irrelevant. That doesn't mean anything. It could mean a lot to us.
Okay.
So we can't get too much information. Give us as much as you got.
So then go ahead, if you got something wrong with your car, get out a notebook, sniff, look, listen.
Yeah.
And anything at all, any observation at all, you guys will look at it, and that's where you guys start, and then get into your diagnosis.
And one tiny little seemingly irrelevant piece of information could get us to the answer so much faster and cheaper.
That's great, and that adds up to time is money, right? Okay. Brian, thanks so much, and this is Weber Automotive, that Brian, so give these guys a call.
Thanks, Randy.